anything she wants. 3-car garage, her own credit cards. He pulls in late to wake her up with a kiss goodnight. If he could only read her mind, she'd say, buy me a rose, call me from work, open the door for me, what would it hurt? Show me you love me by looking in my eyes. These are the little things I do most of my life. Now the days have grown to years.